Hello everyone. In this series, I'm going to teach you ITIL Foundation version 4. In this course, we're going to define what is ITIL and what is the ITIL certification history, what is the difference between ITIL version 3 and version 4. After that, we're going to dive deeply into ITIL version 4 Foundation. During the course, I'm going to prepare you for the official ITIL Foundation exam. The course will be a mix of structured videos. Sometimes we're going to use whiteboard. And of course, I'm going to give you some tips for the exam, as our ultimate goal is to gain the ITIL Foundation version 4 certificate, which is one of the most demanded certificates around the world. Just before you join the course, have a look below this video. You will find some links that will take you to the websites that you can study and prepare for the exam. Sometimes I'm going to leave a promo code as well, so make sure that you check below this video if there is a promo code to use. And I'm looking forward to see you there. And if you have any question, please feel free to ask me here or through those platforms. See you guys.